Okay, you guys, this is another playing with drawing. This will be the last one in this book because then the pages are full. And we are going to get our pencil. I have another picture I took while on vacation in Italy. And we are going to try to draw that semi-abstract. I don't know. We're gonna just try to be loose and sketchy about it because, you know, that's how I roll. So anyway, the picture, as always, will be, along with all the other photos, over in my Patreon. So if you want to go over there, they have their own YouTube channel. And I just started posting short videos over there. Okay, I like that. We're going to go with a dark gray. I'm going to choose the number 5. I'm going to go over the lines that I like. I'm not going to erase the pencil marks. I personally think it makes the piece look more interesting. I'm not trying to be realistic. That's what the camera is for. I want to be slightly, if not completely, more abstract. And to that notion, I did another face like we did last week, but the video for it is over on Patreon. And then, of course, we'll write some words. Okay. We will grab a water brush and some paint. And we are going to start with this one. And then quickly get some paint on there and then go spread it out with some water. Hopefully before it completely dries. I don't always make it on time, but that's fine. I like painting with watercolor is my preference because it's easy to work with. It's easy to take with you. It's less messy. And when we're traveling, I can have it out on the desk in the hotel room. And I don't need to be concerned that it's not going to be dry before we leave. I'm adding some dark reddish purple that's already mixed up from the last time I painted. We're going to use that for some shadows. That's good. I like that. Okay. And green. Now the focus, I want to be the flower, but that doesn't mean we can't try to be as artistic with the green. I do want to leave some space between it and the red and pink because I don't want them to mix together and make something gross. When we stayed in Florence, there were just so many beautiful gardens and blooms and everything, everywhere you looked. You, of course, don't have to go to Italy for that. I'm sure if you look around in your yard or your neighborhood, you're going to find some picture of some flower or something that's going to be inspiring. And you can make a piece of art from it or with it, meaning that you can actually take the picture, go home, print it out, and use that in a glue up or something. Try to think outside the box. That's perfect. I don't want to add anything else to that. There we go. So that's it for this week. And I will do one more bonus video because this journal now is done and I need to prep the next one. So, but that's a next video. If you create anything from this, I'd love to see what you're doing. Please do tag me in the post so I can like and share and all that stuff. Speaking of which, please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to go out and do something nice for yourself because you deserve it. And I'll see you later. Bye, guys.